Hey, what's up, my friend? Good morning, everyone, man. This is me, your boy, once again, coming out here to give you the latest signal, the latest signal on the radar, man. All right. Yeah. This is going to be a very quick video. Okay. It's not anything we're going to talk too much on this, but it's just a kind of review of the signal we are using or we are giving out. You understand? And this signal is going to be called, man, the coronavirus $1 million strategy. Coronavirus Forex $1 million strategy. Yeah. During this time of coronavirus, you see all the market crashing and crashing down, man. The one going up, they continue to, shoot up like parachute, The one going down continue to crash like a falling trees, man. Yeah, this is the advantage of being a Forex trader, man. Even the economy is falling down, man. Forex traders continues to, bank in their own the peep pays my bill, man. I know my guy out there, peeps pay my bill, will be happy to hear this. I call that name, So this is AUDNZD in front of me right now. But before we talk about this AUDNZD, well, the direction have been projected by the arrow direction you can see here, okay? And you see the pair on the 1 hour time frame, So when I realized that, even if I say my signal will always go like 400 pips level, I noticed that, yeah, they always continue even above the 400 pips level. So what I want to say and why I'm making this video is that, instead of taking the 400 pips, I think it's better to, continue to manage the trades and, locking up your break even continuously, locking up your break even continuously, okay? Because what I do is I always hold the trade also. I always hold it, okay? Every Friday before the market will close, I lock all my break even and I do prepare for the following week. You know what I mean? Okay. So, with that being said, let's talk about this signal that we have here. All right. Honestly, I gave this signal a few days ago, but the profit target happened to be so fast. The profit came in and here we are just out of the market, and this NZD continues. You understand? So anyway, kudos to the fact that we were able to capture this one. Kudos. But I look at it like, okay, it's better we opt in and continue because this is going down and down and down. It's going down too far, okay? And that is the only signal we have on the radar right now. So it's better we jump in and hope for next week on this, that this by next week would have been, doing great job for us, giving us good profit, taking advantage of the coronavirus to put money and put the pips in our wallet. Okay, so what is going on right now is that we're gonna sell this AUDNZD. We're gonna sell it, okay? Right here as it is right now, this is it. Okay, we must see pullback coming back here or here, but we don't care about that, okay? Because I don't actually care about all these pullbacks. I know they will happen, okay? Because it only make you sit in front of your chart. You understand? But because we know where the market is going down, it's going down, right? It's going to be breaking this low, right? So it will continue going. So I just feel like, man, I jump in, okay? Right now, right here, where it is right now, I jump in, okay? anticipating by the time this low is going to be broken, well, my profit keeps counting. I don't mind. I may be in drawdown of pullback to here or here. I don't mind those drawdown. But then I put my stop loss right here. I put my stop loss on AUDNZD on 1.0277. That is where I put my own stop loss. And for the target, maybe I target 400 pips. Okay? But for you who want to take 400 pips, you can calculate 400 pips downward. That will be your own TP. But me, I want to continue. So I don't even have a TP. I don't have a take profit level. All I want to do is to get in with my best lot and, you know, just hang in. And, you know, maybe every 2-3 days or on Friday before the market close, I will just lock my break even and leave this thing to continue. Okay. This concept is a concept of, you know, let your winning trades continue. You know, if you have a good solid signal, it's a good solid signal. So I feel like, okay, why not let that good trade, why not let them continue? Okay, because I have a lot of them on my trading platform MT4 that I left them alone to continue, and they keep skyrocket, you know. So that is why, you know, I just came up, like, that is the idea and the knowledge I wanted to share. But I just feel like, okay, it's not going to be cool if I just share knowledge like that without giving you some little signal. You understand? And it's been something like, when I come out to make a video, you know, I must give a signal. You understand? So this is why you need to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget, and push the notification button, because you know, sometimes, man, I do drop this type of video. Okay, because my video these days is not like just coming to talk and give advice and give idea, but you know, it's been part of me. Like, it's something I've mastered. You know, before my video will end, I will drop one signal and, you know, let everybody go benefit from that. You understand? You know, and there's gonna be a kind of ebook link under this video which will teach you some things about Forex, some things you need to know, not only about Forex, but the link also takes you to anything you want under the Forex niche. Maybe you want to join a broker. There's a $1 deposit broker link under that link also. When you tap that link, you will see it all. It's all there for you. You will see it. We have 3 types of broker. You know, we have some indicators and any other thing you want, and we have some free giveaway also in there. Check it out. That's it. Yep. So all the people that I've seen supporting this channel, giving comments and giving thumbs up, thank you so much to all of you. We appreciate you, because it's because of you we also making this type of video, you know. So thank you very much, man. Your boy signing out. This is your boy, Forex Strategy Factory, aka Forex Wizard 666, signing out. Take care.